Hello, I'm Mir Lee. I'll be presenting the agency profile of FCB, otherwise known as Food, Corn, and Building. Here's the URL of their official website, and it is a parent organization owned by Interpublic Group. Their mission statements are know who the brand is, make people care about the brand, and ensure the biggest single eat room is the brand. It was founded by Daniel Lord and Ambrose Thomas as Lord and Thomas in Chicago in 1873. It is the third oldest ad agency in the U.S. It set up shop in the U.S. advertising capitals, Chicago and New York, and became the first ad company to offer stock to the public in 1963. It has over 120 offices in more than 80 countries, such as in Middle East, North America, and Africa. Those are some examples of their clients and brands that they are working on, such as Coca-Cola, Levi's, and FDA. They are currently promoting awareness of inequality bullying, the imagination for compassion, safety and disaster relief directives, and initiatives from preventing drawing to responsibly handling hazardous situations, such as highlighting projects like Not Out of the Water and blood equality. If you want contact to them, you may do so at their main website, posted below, or through their social media, such as LinkedIn or Facebook. Here is an example of their ads regarding Down syndrome. It is created for Canadian Down Syndrome Society.
You can say almost anything.
Like, holy shit.
You just had a baby.
Shit, yeah.
Congratulations.
恭喜恭喜.
She's so cute I want to barf.
Well, there goes your sex life.
You just squeezed out a human.
Does your vagina hurt?
I hope you are ready for lots of shitty diapers.
Yay!
Behold, the miracle of fucking life.
See, you can say almost anything.
The truth is, the only bad word is sorry.
Sorry.
You're supposed to be celebrating.
Woohoo! So don't be sorry about a baby.
Be happy.
Because every baby deserves a warm fucking welcome.
As the book said, advertising often appeals to what is lacking in society. In this case, people lack compassion of understanding those kids with Down syndrome, and people have arrogance about their ignorance. This ad campaign has a serious brand personality. So my discussion question is, why is it important to be simple and brilliant and advertise the right combination of brand personality and honesty to effectively establish credibility to influence others? That's all for my agency profile. Thank you for listening.